Hey, yeah, it's more than life than what society is showing y'all. And if your OGs ain't trying to guide you in the right direction, then they really ain't your OGs. They ain't telling you what's up and what's going on, or calm down, change your ways. Some people don't have that in this world, and they don't got nobody to tell them to change your ways or calm down, get your life right. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all like this, man, I came a long ways from the way that I was, coming up. I started going down the wrong path or whatever, started getting reckless. I just got tired of shit, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you gotta make a choice, for yourself and for your life. Consequences just like anything else, but them consequences, the bad outweighs the good in those situations, the circumstance. And I'm telling you from experience. I ain't telling you from just to be talking about it. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody perfect, but I'm just saying you can change your lifestyle anytime, and you can see other things besides being in the streets. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Try to keep it real. Try to keep it 100. Yeah, I played in the field. Shit got real. Niggas running around, then they wanna tell like we living in hell, trying to dodge the feds or the scale, or how to do it. Man, I seen the sale. Oh, you trying to tell me my life ain't real? But I'm telling you, ain't never been frail, man. I lost fights, but I'm still here to tell it. I don't even care, man. Your ass can't yelling. Yeah, your ass can't yelling. So what you trying to tell me? Yeah, what you trying to say now? Huh? I'm just trying to keep it real with y'all.
I'm just too tired for work.
Y'all young
You need a 5-hour energy shot.
Wake up.
Yeah,